Hello, today we're going to be talking about cancer, and this is a MedSpire presentation. What is cancer? Cancer is a group of hundreds of diseases that all start with a cell mutation, and that cell eventually grows into a tumor, and it will eventually spread throughout the body. They steal nutrients from your body and also weakens your immune system, which are ways that it can eventually kill you. And around the world, millions are affected by it and die from it each year. So how it forms. Now for some context, your cells are constantly mutating all the time. Usually these mutations are harmless and can even be beneficial at times, but in some cases, a cancerous cell can form, and this cell will grow and multiply. All the cancerous cells will form a solid called a tumor, and it will trick the body into supplying it nutrients and blood, and it will steal resources. And this causes it to grow, and it will eventually spread to other parts of the body, which is called metastasis if it is untreated. And at this stage, the cancer will be very hard to treat, and then many people who experience this stage will likely die. Why is it so common? Now, cancer is talked about a lot these days, and it seems that it is getting more common. And a reason for this is because we're exposed to many more harmful chemicals than we were in the past. And we're also making many unhealthy decisions, such as drinking alcohol, smoking cigarettes, and not wearing sunscreen. All these factors can contribute to cell mutations and eventually cancer. Cancer diagnosis is also getting more common. In the past, many people experienced cancer, but they didn't know they had it. But technology is getting more advanced, and doctors can spot cancer quicker and more efficiently. And people are also living longer, and this means that there's more time for their cells to mutate and become a cancer cell. Treatments and early detection. Luckily today, treatments are getting better and better. More people are surviving cancer. Apart from chemotherapy and surgery that you may have heard about in the news, immunotherapy and targeted treatments are playing a bigger role. These treatments help boost your immune system to fight cancer more efficiently and effectively. And targeted therapy is also really effective because it's made specifically for one person that it's supposed to treat, as everybody's immune system is different. Now, since everyone's immune system is different, that means a one-size-fits-all treatment would not work, as one person's cancer might be more would be better at fighting against chemotherapy, but another person's cancer might be better at fighting against immunotherapy, so it depends on the person. And early detection is also making a big part, since the earlier a cancer is caught, the better it is to treat, since it will be contained to one part of the body, and it's also a lot smaller and won't grow as quickly. And this leaves a lot of time for treatments to occur. Conclusion. In conclusion, more people are surviving each year from cancer, and treatments are also getting better. Early detection is helping millions of people detect cancer in its early stages, which reduces the amount of treatments people need and their survival rate. There is still a lot of work that needs to be done, but we are headed in the right direction, and hopefully, in the near future, cancer will be a much smaller problem in the world. Thank you.